Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today we have something really special in store where we demystify the inner workings of ChatGPT, the generative AI model that we all love. Grab your favorite snack and buckle up. I've been taking a Code Academy course on the intro to ChatGPT, and I've chosen Code Academy because it's how I first learned how to code, and it's an effective tool because it runs you through the theory as well as the practical aspects of learning coding. So in this course here we have 5 key modules. There's the main one, which is generative AI. Now this is the one I took most away from. Generative AI explains the inner workings of ChatGPT. What this includes is having training data. So training data is just pieces of information which you want to train your model on. This can be a specific location such as law or medicine, or it can be a wide range of data. For example, ChatGPT has 175 billion data points, which is why it's so well-rounded in many aspects of information. The generative model takes this training data and encodes it into computer code, zeros and ones, so that computers can understand it. From there, computers are able to form a probability distribution around that, and by forming a probability distribution, they're able to see what the next word will be from the current word. So that's what natural language processing is, where they're able to predict the future word from the current word. After doing that, they decode the answer back into human speak and regurgitate that information back into you. And in that process, a certain amount of human feedback is needed in order to correct any biases which the training data has held, as well as letting go of any AI hallucinations, which is basically when the model doesn't have enough data on a specific aspect, so it just creates something up. So from that course, that was the most technical thing to take away from it. Well, the other parts of the course it goes through is just ChatGPT in everyday life and business. For example, how it can have applications in sales, data analysts, and even programming. The next part is the ethics and limitations of AI, which actually raise a few interesting questions which have been around before ChatGPT, about automation and automation taking away people's jobs. How it's happened for kind of like a century now, since the Industrial Revolution, where people who used to work in farms have been made redundant in a sense because of artificial intelligence. So we kind of have to be conscious of that fact going forward, and how we will continue to integrate artificial intelligence into society. The next most useful thing which people find is probably the prompt engineering part of this. And this is kind of its own industry and art form in itself. It's about being able to create effective prompts in order to maximize the efficiency of the output of the AI model. This includes using clear and straightforward language, the tone, format, and the audience, specifying that in the prompt, as well as the context of who you are speaking to. So let's give an example of this. Let's put in the prompt, create a script for a YouTube video which discusses the way in which ChatGPT's generative AI model works. Make it aimed at an audience who are interested in tech with a light-hearted and informative tone. So as you can see here, we've been very straightforward and clear with the language, specifying the tone, audience, and format we want it to be in. So let's put it in and see what the AI outputs for us. Oh, as you can see here, it's got kind of an interesting thing displaying the words ChatGPT demystified, where the host waves enthusiastically. The host says, "Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fast..." Wait a second, this is kind of weird. It seems kind of familiar. It says, "Today we have to learn about a special store." Cut to his plate. Wait, what's going on?
Yes, I really did just use AI to plan this whole video, and I tricked you into watching it. Yes, it's true. AI are actually going to take our jobs. ChatGPT, it's coming.
Anyways, forgetting that, I would kind of recommend this course on Code Academy if you're just trying to get into it like I am, because it has provided that useful underlying structure and has given me an idea of what to expect on the upcoming road for machine learning, looking at training data, the models, the probability distribution. So yeah, it's been great. I'm probably going to try and continue with Code Academy going forward, with this career path of machine learning, and I'm looking forward to getting into it right now. So guys, as always, stay tuned to follow along with the journey and see where it goes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.